Hey, Max here. I'm creative engineer at Zoo. Do backups. Why? Why should I make backups if all the files are saved instantly? Like, it is impossible to work for a while and then find out that nothing is saved, because all the changes to any file are written instantly. So, why do I even need to consider doing backups? For example, I do have a simple assembly file with just one part, the green plate with 5 holes. But also, I do have another part. So where am I heading to? Let's try to prompt something like at this point, how should Zookeeper know which part have you mentioned? One of them? Both of them? Which of them? Zookeeper switched to the main KCL file with the main assembly, which is correct behavior. It's also saying done. I set the lock count to 6 in both green and blue plate. So as an engineer, you are aware that the change happened across all those files, and if it's not intentional, if you mention just the blue and green plate, you totally can tell to undo or undo yourself and change it back to just one plate. But in case if you missed the whole thing and you meant to change just the green plate or just the blue plate or any other file, there might be a problem. So ideally read what Zookeeper is saying and just in case, save the backups.